Welcome you in English class 6. Dear students, today I shall teach you lesson number 17 named Sindbad the Sailor. Page number 107. Okay. So dear students, first of all, I would like to tell about this story. Listen. This story has been taken from the well-known storybook The Arabian Nights Entertainment. The extract tells us about the last ways of Sindbad, his seventh one, and how he comes face to face with death in Sereno Dib, where he has been sent by the Khalifa. It reflects on the sagacity of elephants and ever growing greed of human beings. Now, dear students, I am telling you about the summary of this story. Listen. Long, long ago, there was a rich merchant in Baghdad. His son's name was Sindbad. He was very lovely, so all villagers loved him. Sindbad's father was gone away from this world earlier. Okay, he left too much wealth for his son, but Sindbad did not know correct way of using the wealth. He spent all money eating and drinking. The elder person of his family told him that the use of money, you should use the money in proper way. But he always answered them that I have never moved to do the business. Now you can see I have a lot of money. Now I want to live life with luxury style. His friend always got benefit of his innocence. As time passed out, Sindbad money was passing away from him. So one day Sindbad came to know he had done so big mistake, wasting the money. What is big mistake? Wastes the money. He began to think about his future. I did not like to live being poor because he had passed out the luxurious life. So he thought about so many days. Now time has come to do business with merchants. Perhaps this is the way I can earn enough money. Sindbad continue have to go one country to another country for doing business with his companion. Now, forwarding the story, dear students, gradually Sindbad earned a lot of money and he became famous merchant within a short time. One said Sindbad was going to Persian Gulf with his companion. Then he saw a beautiful island. So, wow, this island is too much big. And look how much greenery there, he thought. Let us take rest there for some times. Sindbad and his companion bounded their ships and got down that island. They enjoyed whole day and remembered their childhood days also. Now the time had come of eating dinner. So without thinking he began to cook food on Iceland. When he lit a fire, suddenly the ground began to wave, trembling, dazzling light in the clouds. They thought a storm is about to come. Nobody was not standing one by one as before. They began to fall gradually, one by one, on the ground. Weather has become so rough. So, dear students, further story I would tell you the next video. Okay. Now I am giving you homework. You have to do difficult word meaning from your book, page number 112. Okay. Goodbye, students.